Hi, in this video I will show you how to replace the jockey wheels or pulleys on your rear derailleur. The upper wheel is called the guide pulley that keeps the chain aligned with the cog that we are currently using. And the lower pulley is called the tension pulley. It keeps the chain under tension as we change gears. As you can see, my tension pulley is cracked and needs replacement. Also, with time the teeth can get worn out. The only tool you'll require is a 3mm Allen key. You'll have to take the wheel out to access the other bolt on the cage securing the guide pulley. Put the chain on the smallest cog on the rear and preferably smallest chainring in the front and get the wheel out. Using a 3mm Allen key, turn counterclockwise to loosen and remove the bolt. Observe very carefully any writing or any arrow of direction as we have out here, so as we can replace it in the exact order. Remove the guide pulley by turning the bolt counterclockwise. Clean the derailleur as best as you can, cleaning with a degreaser. Then you are ready to put your new jockey wheels. On this Shimano derailleur, the guide wheel pulley has a ceramic bush and the tension wheel pulley has a seal bearing. The place where I am located, I was not able to procure similar Shimano pulleys, so I have settled for alloy jockey wheels with ceramic bearing from AliExpress. Also, before ordering new pulleys or buying new pulleys, please take into note the number of teeth on the pulleys and the jockey wheel size. Use appropriate thread sealant, Loctite or Anabond blue or red. Start with the top jockey wheel, put the screw through it and position it against the main body. Put a little of thread locker, Loctite or Anabond blue or red. Do not tighten the screw yet, bring the chain up and make sure it runs around the jockey wheel, but inside the small chain guard tab. Align the cage with the other side and then tighten the screw. Tighten with your Allen key. Finally, talk to the manufacturer's recommendation. For Shimano, it's 3 Newton meters and is probably similar to other makes. Put the wheel back in. If you have anything to add, suggestions, put them in the comments. And please subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks.